Hey everyone, it's Nathan Susin from Island Sauce Co, and over the next little bit we're going to be taking you guys through some quick tips to try and take that home barbecue to the next level. So for today's quick tip, we're going to go over sauce mops. It's a new product that Island Sauce Co is offering. And it's this beauty right here. It's for long cooking periods, so when you're smoking a brisket for 12 hours, let's say, and a mop sauce is a little bit liquidier than your regular barbecue sauce or things of that nature. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one of our favorite Island Sauce Co products, get that in your bowl, and we're going to thin it out with some vinegar. And what the vinegar does over the long cooking period when you're mopping every 20 minutes is what I suggest over the 12-hour or 10-hour long period. The vinegar actually helps break down tissues in the meat. And then we're going to take one of our favorite brews from Breton and just thin that out a little bit more. And this right here is what you're looking for in a mop sauce. So as you're basting that every 20 minutes, the vinegar content is going to break down some of those tissues in the meat. And as you build the layers, the flavor that builds on the meat is out of this world. So that was your quick tip for today. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Island Sauce Co and check out our site at islandsauceco.com. My name's Nathan Susin and we're out.